Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, steel wheels, front disc rear drum brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.